This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the Always Ask Where to Save Files dialog box in the Zen browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen browser opened up now. To enable or disable the Always Ask Where to Save Files dialog box in Zen, it's very easy to do. By default, it's probably not enabled. I have mine enabled here, and if I go to download something, I'm going to click on this button here, Save File. Now a dialog box will pop up asking me where I want to save this particular file. Any file that I go to download, I'll be presented with this dialog box. I can rename my file. I could choose a destination for the file. To enable that or disable it, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner up to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab. And on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Files and Applications section. And right here's Downloads. By default, it's going to download to whatever location is set here. You can change that location by clicking on Browse. But right under that, Always Ask Where to Save Files. Anytime you go to download something, if this box is checked, the dialog box will pop up asking you where you want to save this file. If it is not checked, then the dialog box will not pop up. That is how to enable or disable Always Ask Where to Save Files in the Zen browser. Thanks for watching.